Just Fishing family, we're back with another one. Hey guys, like and subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So yeah guys, as you can see right here behind me, I was driving in this neighborhood, was coming by, and of course I'm always on Google Maps. You guys use that, you know, it's a good resource for finding little spots, you know, things like that. If you like to fish, things like that. So like I said, I was driving by and I seen, I said, let me drive through here and see what's going on. Found this little hole right here. It's just one little spot. It's like a little, I say 7-foot gap right here, a little 7-foot gap, but it's opening to the lake right here, which is in a residential neighborhood. So there's houses all around, all back there and on the other side. So this is what we're working in right here. But I'm just gonna cast in here a couple times and see. I'm right here actually on the shade line, which is kind of like, hey, they might be here, they might not, they might be back on the other side, I don't know. But we're just gonna cast in here and see, guys. I'm gonna start off here with the chopper, just see if, you know, we have any luck on the top water. You never know, you know. We're just gonna start off with that 30-pound braid, and this is the 10.5-inch Chapo. Very stained water, what we're working here with. Caught a leaf already on our first cast, messing it up. I've never fished this pond before, so I don't know what's in here. Getting these fall leaves that are coming into the pond, so guys, be prepared for that. This little short cast. Don't really know what to expect either. Oh, that's not the cast we wanted to make. I said I wasn't gonna bomb it out, but I bombed that one out. I'm just thinking it's a little shallow right here, close to the bank, so it looks as if it's shallow. Oh, I just seen some activity over there. Big weight to the right. Just a little stop and pause. I think I have a jig tied on in the car. I'm just not 100% sure. I can't remember. So we might switch it up here. Sit the whopper popper down. Make a couple casts with another bait. Wish I had a rattle trap tied on. We're gonna sit the whopper popper down, guys. I'm gonna see what else I got in the car real quick. I don't really think I'm gonna rig up anything. So actually I had a black and blue chatterbait tied on, which was actually perfect for this color water, I think. We'll just send that chatterbait around. Just skip the doggone chatterbait. Was not trying to do that, folks. Backlash, very minimal. Let's go straight out. Got a backlash. I don't see why that would happen. I had the tension set pretty good, I thought. Oh, we got one. Yep, there he is. There he is. Okay, stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, it's a nice one too. Come on, let's get him across here. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. He was out in the middle in the sun. He is a nice one on the chatterbait. Got my first chatterbait bass today. Barely hooked on the side of the lip right there. You know what? I thought I want to get a picture real quick with him. Get my camera going, huh? Oh, chatterbait black and blue. Let's get it out of his lip. Barely hooked too, folks. Barely hooked. I felt like that black and blue would be what need to be used. Nice size for this place. Look at that, folks. Yeah. So we're gonna release him. See if I can get one more picture with him real quick. Let's get one more with him for the gram. You guys follow me at Just Fishing. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. We're gonna let him go. All right, Mr. Bass. And he is out of there. He is out of there with the big splasheroo. So, coming to a place that we never fished before and having success is a good thing.